Welcome students once again to the accounting session. In the last session we solved a problem based on admission of a partner, which was very simple problem. But today we will solve a problem based on capital adjustment. So here problem number 29, that is Mahendra and Surendra are equal partners in a firm. Their balance sheet as on 31st 3 2020 stood as follows. Balance sheet is given and adjustments are given here. Here the last adjustment is capital accounts of all the partners are adjusted in their new profit sharing ratio 3:2:1 based on Chandra's capital. So adjustments are to be made in cash. So let's prepare first revaluation account. Revaluation account. Motor car and machinery are to be depreciated at 20% and 3,800 respectively. So motor car should be depreciated by 20% and the machinery by 3,800. Write it on the debit side. To motor car 20%. The value of motor car is 8,000. 1,600 will be depreciated. And machinery they are only given 3,800. To machinery 3,800. Provision for doubtful debts is to be maintained at 10%. Already 32,000 is the book value, and if you calculate 10% on that, the provision for doubtful debt should be 3,200. Already PDD is 1,000 there. So you are supposed to create 2 PDD. %, 3,200. Already existing is how much? 1,000. PDD already existing is how much? 1,000. Now you are supposed to create a PDD of 2,200. 2,200. So these are the adjustments. So there is a revaluation loss. $6,000, 7,600. This should be distributed between Mahendra and Surendra equally. Half. 7,600. That is 3,800 and 3,800. Now let's prepare the old partners capital account. Old partners capital account. Particulars: Mahendra, Surendra. Mahindra Surendra. By balance what down? $80,000 Mahindra, 40,000 Surendra. There is no reserve, and goodwill amount has to be calculated here. Goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 14,000. Into 1 divided by 6, that is 2,333.33 into half, 1,166, the 67 moreover. So let us see the sacrifice ratio now first. Equally, now ratio has changed. So here we are supposed to consider the sacrifice ratio 2:2:1. Calculation of sacrifice ratio of Mahindra and Surendra. Sacrifice ratio equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Half minus new ratio is 3/6. Of Mahindra equal to into 6 into 2. 6 minus 6, like 12, equal to 0. 0 is the sacrifice ratio of Mahindra. He has not sacrificed anything else. Surendra, half minus 2/6. Cross multiply into 6 into 2. 6 minus 4/12 equal to 2/12. It means full goodwill amount should go to Surendra only because he has sacrificed. So 14,000 is the goodwill into 1 divided by 6, 2,333 by new partner is Chandra. $2,333. Now we are supposed to put one more working note. Oh, sorry, before putting working note, we will prepare new partner's capital account. New partner is Chandra capital account. By cash, he is bringing 26,000 as capital, and out of that 2,333 should be deducted and given to Surendra because he has sacrificed to Surendra capital. $2,333. Two balance carried down. 667, 23,667. So Chandra's capital account is prepared here, and we are supposed to calculate the new capital of the firm on the basis of Chandra's capital, and his capital is after deducting the goodwill, that is 23,667. So on the basis of Chandra's capital, total capital of the firm will be of the firm will be 23,667 into 6 by 1. So instead of 1 by 6, we will do 6. 23,667 into 6, 1,42,002. This will be the total capital of the firm. Therefore, Mahindra new capital equal to new capital should be 1,42,002 into 3 by 6. 71,001. And Surendra new capital should be 1,42,002 into 2 by 6. 2,000 into 2 divided by 6, 47,334. So these are the new capitals of Mahindra and Surendra, and Chandra's capital already is 23,667. You need not bother about that. If there is excess or deficit in cash, we are supposed to see now how much should be his capital. 71,001 rupees. 2 gallons carried down should be 71,001. Okay, that of this one 47,000. Surendra should be 47,334. Now let us see whether there is excess or deficit. So on the credit side 80,000, on the debit side 71,001. So he is having excess, he will withdraw. To revaluation loss, $3,800. Now the capital should be already 71,001 and 47,334 as per the working note. To cash 199 rupees. And Surendra, total on the debit side is 3,800 plus 47,334. That is 51,134. So he has to bring how much he is having in his account. 42,333. 42,333. And he has on the debit side 51,134. Differential amount is 8,801. Should be brought by Surendra. both side total will be 51,134. Mahesh Capital, sorry, Mahindra capital is 71,001. Surendra 47,334 and Chandra 23,667. And let us see liabilities. Creditors is there 40,000. And bank loan is there 8,000. Is there any outstanding balance? No, there is no any outstanding balance here. Let's come to the asset side now. Stock has remained unchanged. Stock 39,000. Debtors 32,000 minus PDD 3,200. That is 28,800. Then land and building. Land and building, there is no change in land and building. Keep it as it is, 40,000. The machinery, there is a depreciation in the value of machinery. Machinery minus depreciation. Machinery was 36,000 and 3,800 is deducted from that. 36,000 minus 3,800. 32,200. Motor car, there is a reduction of motor car minus depreciation. 1,600 is deducted, 6,400 will remain. And cash at bank, cash was there, and Surendra bought 8,801 and Chandra bought 26,000 minus 5,199 is withdrawn by Mahindra. So the balance, let us see here, 14,000 plus 8,801 plus 26,000 plus 5,199. Sorry, minus 5,199. 43,602. So both side total, let us see now, 39,000 plus 28,800 plus 40,000 plus 32,200 plus 6,400 plus 43,602. 1,90,002.